All right, guys, today we're going to talk about the new park model we got on the lot. This is the one we got called the Bington. Beautiful structure. Again, built by the Amish. This one's more of a modern style. The Bella next to it is more of a rustic style. So let's go on in and show you this. Got a big step here. We're going to have to put a step up here to be able to. Okay. One of the things you'll notice right away, like I love, is all that knotty pine over there on the covered porch. I love it because you got that light knotty pine on the porch and the dark beams, and then you got that knotty pine on the front. Like I said, it's got that Scandinavian look where you got the mix of the wood with the black metal, and I always love that look. Now when you go inside, it does have the black door on it with the big glass window for all that natural light. Now, what I love about this one is when you walk into it, unlike a lot of park models, first of all, I'm right here by the road, and if you notice how quiet it got, very well insulated, how quiet it got when I closed the door. Again, you got these beautiful double pane, easy clean windows, okay? And what I love is that dark floor. You got your white walls, and then you got your tongue and groove dark stained ceiling, okay, which kind of gives it that open space. If I walk around this way, you'll see the living room area where you got your Bosch mini split right there above the door. You got your recessed lights, you got your fan, and again, 2 windows on that side and 2 windows on that side, and then the big glass window in the front door allows all kinds of natural light into this unit, okay? Absolutely beautiful. So again, here's your remote control for your Bosch mini split. And again, let me turn around. Now, let's say you want to get the tongue and groove knotty pine walls instead of the birch walls here. You can do that, okay? So keep that in mind. Or maybe you like the smooth walls and you want to paint them a different color. Keep in mind you can do that. Now you heard me mention a second ago, the walls on these park models, the way the Amish do it, this is not sheetrock. This ain't drywall, y'all. This is actual real, listen. You hear that? That's real wood. That's real birch plywood painted white. That way, you're not worried about when you are bouncing up and down the highway, that drywall bending and breaking and warping on your walls, right? This wood ain't gonna warp. This is solid birch plywood painted white. So that way, it ain't warping, it ain't coming off the walls. It is built solid, built to last, built by the Amish, okay? So up there, you see we got a generous sized loft where you could put easily a big old king bed or a couple of full-size beds or 4 twin mattresses up there, no problem. Okay, so there's that. And then here you got your kitchen sink, all modern, real modernized aesthetic, right? Got your little countertop, you got your electric stove, and remember, it comes just like you see it. This is all General Electric microwave, full-size microwave, full-size 4-burner stove. Across from the kitchen here, you got maybe you could use this for like your little spice cabinets. See what I'm saying? Get your little spice cabinet or something right here across from the kitchen, or storing your goods. Okay, so there's that there. And again, I'm 6'6", y'all, and my head ain't hitting the ceiling. Now it's close, but even at 6'6", I'm not having a duck right here, and I'm 6'6". So if you're shorter than 6'6", you're good to go. Now, if you're 6'8" or 6'9", you might have a problem. And this room right here can easily accommodate a queen size bed or smaller. King size would be pushing it, but it would easily accommodate a queen or full size bed, no problem. Okay, so again, this is what it looks like here, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you the loft. Let's take a couple steps here and show you what that looks like. So again, I really love the convenience of these steps, because again, I'm more of a steps guy than a set of ladders. And voila. So again, you got a window on that side, allowing all kinds of natural light, beautiful dark ceilings, and then you got your window on this side. You got all kinds of electrical outlets here, so the kids can hook up their laptops and telephones and their video games. And like I said, this is big enough to easily put a king size bed, actually you could probably put 2 full beds side by side, or probably like three. I don't know, it's hard to measure. I'd say probably 3 twin mattresses up here, no problem. All right. Let's make a quick video real quick. We're on the 2nd floor, the one we call the Big Bertha. Big Bertha, baby, 1.0. We're on the 2nd floor today. Usually I start outside of the cabin, but today I'm starting inside on the 2nd floor. So let me show you this pretty cabin. This is an all wood cabin. Again, I'm a tall fella. I'm 6'6", and you can see I can stand straight up and down up on the 2nd floor. You can see all the craftsmanship that goes into this. Absolutely lovely cabin. Again, there's your views from the 2nd floor. Beautiful cabin. Again, this side of the loft, you can fit a queen size bed, or we can make the catwalk shorter and make the floor come out more this way, so we can go ahead and get you a king size bed in there, because you know, for a lot of folks, they got to have that king size bed. Another thing we can do, you see how we got it wide open, kind of like an open concept loft. We can also close it off if you want us to, like we did over there, wall it off and privatize it like we did this other lofted bedroom up on the 2nd floor. So again, whatever your preference is, just let us know. We can either wall it off and privatize it, or we can keep it wide open like you see over here. So again, this is the view. There's your front door when you first walk into the cabin. There's your little dining room table there. That's built into the cabin. I'll show you that when we go downstairs. There's your back door over that way. And then these are your steps to go down the cabin. Again, just a beautiful cabin built by the Amish. We ship them nationwide. Let me go inside this room here and show you what this one looks like. You can see my truck down there. You see the Carrot Top, the Bella Park model, the shipping container home. You kind of glimpse over there and see the El Chapo Muchacho 1.0 rustic cabin. Again, this is what it looks like with the wall up there and the privatized door. Again, built by the Amish. We ship them nationwide. Beautiful structure. This is the one we call the Big Bertha 1.0. Now, let's say you wanted the Big Bertha 2.0. The 2nd floor, like what you see here, which is a 14 by 32, stays exactly the same. But down on the 1st floor, let's go downstairs and show you the difference between the Big Bertha 1.0 and the 2.0. With the 1.0, where this wall stops here goes out another 10 feet, okay? That way, the 2nd floor is 14 by 32, that stays the same, but the 1st floor actually goes out another 10 feet. So instead of it being 14 by 32 like this one is, it's actually a 14 by 42. And let me show you what that would look like, and then I'll come back inside and film some more of the inside for you. So like I said, when you order the Big Bertha 2.0, instead of the wall stopping right here on the 1st floor, it will come out another 10 feet. And that way you can accommodate a 1st floor bedroom, which means your porch actually comes out 10 foot longer as well. So your porch comes out 10 foot and the 1st floor extends out 10 foot more. And now you have a 3-bed, 1-bath situation. Okay, so pricing wise, if you buy this 1.0 just like you see it, which we call this a finished shell, it's $79,000, $79,900. But if you wanted it fully turnkey with electric, plumbing, heating, cooling, tubs, toilets, and sinks, we'll even put all your kitchen appliances in there, stove, refrigerator, microwave, and dishwasher. This cabin is $110,000. And if you want the Big Bertha 2.0 that has the extended 10-foot downstairs with the porch, that is $99,000 on sale now for the finished shell, or fully turnkey for $130,000. Okay, so this is what the cabin looks like. Again, you can choose your stain colors, and you can also choose what color metal roof you want. Obviously, we got the hunter green roof with the green shutters to match. You got your double pane, easy clean vinyl windows. And this thing stands 17 feet from the bottom to the peak up top. Okay, and as you can see, this is a stacked log system, 4x6s, stacked all the way up with the chinking in between to seal the cabin shut. The chinking is this gray matter like you see here. That's what seals the cabin. So in the summer, when you're running your air conditioner in there, it keeps the cold air in and the hot air out. And in the winter, when you're running your heating and it holds the heat in and keeps the cold air out. Okay, that is called the chinking. And the porch here is a 6-foot by 32-foot porch. This is just shy, the Big Bertha 1.0 is just shy of 800 square foot of livable space between the first and second floor. So 796 square feet. Okay. All right, guys. Let's say you guys just want a park model RV. This one is super cool. I'm just going to film the outside of it because I'm getting ready to run out of daylight here. But this one here is only $75,000. Give us a call. This is the one that has been very popular. It's one bed with a loft, and we can ship it anywhere in the United States. This one is currently available for sale. We have another one called the Bella. This is the Bella Junior. So it's the Bella Junior is 10 grand cheaper. This one again is $75,000. So if you're interested in the Bella Junior, give me a call today at 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033, and we can get this one shipped to you right away. Again, thank you for watching, and you guys have a blessed day.